From the moment you see it, the FC250 Factory Edition 2026 carries the look of a true factory racer. It comes clad in the latest Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing graphics, complemented by a white powder-coated frame that radiates exclusivity. The slim profile bodywork, high-grip seat cover, and ergonomic aim ensure the rider is locked in and ready to move. No wasted motion, no interference. The visual cues are matched by purpose. This isn't a bike dressed up like a racer, it is a racer. Every panel, every component, speaks of the track. At the heart of the machine lies the battle-tested 249.9 cubic centimeters for stroke single-cylinder engine, lean, mean, and track-bred. According to the specs, bore 81mm, stroke 48.5 mm. It tips the scales at about 26 kilograms, 57.3 pounds for the engine alone. Engineering details include DLC-coated finger followers, titanium valves, 32.5mm intake, 27.5mm exhaust, and a gearbox by Pankel Racing Systems featuring a Quickshifter sensor for clutchless upshifts. The FMF Factory 4.1 RCT muffler is beautifully crafted with a blue anodized titanium body and finished with a carbon fiber end cap. The muffler is considerably lighter than standard, slightly shorter to centralize mass, and delivers a notable boost to overall performance. Premium components VE chassis dynamics. What elevates the 2026 Factory Edition is clearly the hardware. The suspension package is taken up a notch. WP XACT Pro 7548 cone valve forks up front and a WP XACT Pro 8950 rear shock make their debut on this model. These aren't your standard units, they're race-ready from the factory. A 2K carbon composite skid plate protects the frame and engine from the kind of impacts you get off the gate or when landing blind. The chassis, hydroformed, laser-cut, robot-welded steel with calculated flex parameters for both torsional and longitudinal behavior. In short, built to handle. Lightweight subframe, 60% polyamide plus 40% aluminium, weighing just 1.8 kilograms, promising stiffness and durability without excess weight. On the track, these components promise sharper handling, refined feedback, and steadfast stability under hard braking or aggressive transitions. The aluminum swing arm is designed for optimal stiffness and durability thanks to the proven die casting process that ensures the lowest weight possible. Superior craftsmanship at its finest. Black anodized Excel Takasago rims laced to black CNC machined hubs using high-quality spokes create an exceptionally strong pair of wheels. Delivering best-in-class performance, the Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires. If you're lining up at the gate and want a machine that doesn't just look ready but is ready, the FC250 Factory Edition 2026 steps into the arena prepared. With top-tier suspension, class-leading electronics, a race-bred chassis and engine, along with factory-level aesthetics, it gives you more than a bike, it gives you an edge. In motocross, your bike is as much a teammate as it is a tool. And when every turn, every jump, every throttle application counts, the Factory Edition is built to give you that competitive advantage.